2FA using Authy? What is it and how do you do it? Well, stick around and find out. Hi, I'm Dave of Tech Experts, and I help entrepreneurs to close the gaps that exist across the tools needed for your online business. And today we're talking about doing 2FA using Authy. It's a software token app. What does all that mean? Well, let's start with the 2FA part. 2FA stands for two-factor authentication. It means you're adding a second layer or a second method to confirm your identity when you log into your account. Now, there are several different methods you can do. I have a video covering all of them. I will link it up above and down below in my show's description. But the most common one we see people use is the SMS method. That's the one where you get the number text to your phone and you get that little text with a 4 or 6 digit code in it, and that 6-digit code you then take and paste in or enter into your site and confirm your identity for your account login. Now there's another method that uses a software, well, they'll call a software token or a software key, and that's what Authy is doing. Authy is that software token or software key. It means it's an app you can run on your phone or you can run on your desktop, and it will generate that code for you. Now here's the thing, not every account lets you support using a software token or a software key. So you need to figure out if that's available for you. So there's two ways you can do that. You can either check right with the site you're using and see if it says it'll support a software key or a software token. And if you see Google Authenticator, you can use Authy. The other way to do it, I really love this method. I recommend going to a site called 2fa.directory. And I did a video on it. I'll link it up above, and it's linked down in the show's notes as well as a link to the site. Now on that site, you can check all of your accounts and see what methods are supported for your accounts. And if software token is listed as one of them that's checked, that's supported, then you can use Authy to authenticate your account using that method. Now we're going to jump in and take a look at Authy and see how this all works. So let's get into the app and see how this works. So this is my Authy app I have up here. You see it, and it is on my tokens screen. This is the first screen you see whenever you open your Authy. Now these are all accounts I have connected in through Authy to use two-factor authentication with them. And for this day, I'm going to demo using my PayPal and how I log into PayPal and use Authy with it. So I'm going to click on PayPal. And this is the screen for my PayPal. You see the code here, right? It's a number code and you see a timer. So the timer means that number code is only valid for 30 seconds. And then at the end of 30 seconds, it'll generate a new number code. Now you can copy that number code with the dark blue circle here. If you click on that, that is the copy button. But before I go ahead and copy this, so I don't have to worry about it running out, I'm going to go ahead and open up my PayPal and get myself to the point where I'm ready to put this in first. So I'm going to go ahead and launch my browser here, choose my PayPal, log into my PayPal, click the login button. Now it takes me to the screen where it wants me to enter my code. So I'm going to click back to my Authy app. I open up my Authy app. You see the number just changed. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the copy button, the dark blue button with the little symbol inside of it in the lower right hand corner. And it'll say copied to clipboard. I come over here and click on the screen where my PayPal is, right click, choose paste, and click the continue button. And it successfully logged me into my PayPal account. Now the PayPal is good. I'm going to go ahead and close this out every 30 seconds, and they're only valid for that 30-second period and one use. Now the other buttons at the bottom, the third one over here is the settings, and click on this because there's 3 different choices here. There's general. This is all your Authy information for your account, your master password, your email you're using, the phone number you're using that connect to your Authy account, and your Authy ID is in there as well. The next one down is the accounts. These are the accounts you have connected to Authy that you're using it for two-factor authentication with, and they're being backed up for me to the cloud encrypted, which means if I change devices, I can easily load them back in. I like that about Authy. And the third one is devices. Now this one is important to me because it lets me run it on more than one device. I can have it on my computer here as well as on my cell phone. I can run it on both things simultaneously, which means I can use either one that I need depending upon where I am logging in. And I also like the fact that with this, if I lose my cell phone or somehow get damaged, I could delete or disable that cell phone account version. So even if the app is there, it won't actually let it use it to authenticate for me because it'll be disconnected according to the Authy. And the first screen, like I said, is our tokens screen where you see all the accounts you have connected here. So that covers Authy. If you have any questions about it, you can leave it in the comments section down below. I'll be happy to get back to you as soon as possible. And remember, Authy is a free app, and I'll have it linked up down below in the show's description. Now, I have a pro tip for you. If you are using a software app for your two-factor authentication and you see one that says it supports Google Authenticator, but you don't see Authy listed, you can go ahead and use Authy anyway. Authy will sub in for any time you're seeing Google Authenticator. I like using Authy better. Now, if you have any comments, questions, or feedback, please leave them in the comments section down below. Like I said, it's a free app I have linked up down below, and I have more resources down there as well. Now, I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please give me the big thumbs up, like it, share it with your friends and family. Make sure you're hitting that subscribe button for me. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. I always ask you to subscribe because I want to keep you in the know. We have more how do I guides, more tech tips, more reviews, and more things we want you to be in the know about, like what is two-factor authentication. Okay, if you haven't checked out my show's description, please do so. Down there, you'll find a free link to Authy, as well as links to other videos in the 2FA series. So I have everything from like what is two-factor authentication, the 6 different methods, using the 2FA directory. That is a great resource to figure out what methods you can use with which accounts, as well as videos on how to use hardware keys as well. So if you have a favorite app or a favorite tool, let me know what is the best way you think to secure all of your accounts and what is your favorite method. Leave a comment for me in the comment section down below. I would love to hear your feedback. Again, I'm Dave of Tech Experts, and I look forward to working with you.